Jai Hind and the Way World Earth Day. This year, in 2021, the main theme for the Earth Day is to restore our Earth, which encompasses all the natural processes and emerging green technologies that can restore the world's ecosystem. So, come, let's join our hands to protect the Mother Earth. Just at the beginning, I would also like to thank Shaini Sharma. Thank you so much, dear, for helping me out, and you are also contributing to the society. Thank you so much. We really need guys like you जो सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन करेंगे तो आगे जाकर हमारी लाइफ और बेहतर होंगे. थैंक यू सो मच डियर, थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing really well. And your health is the first priority, as we all know that health is wealth. So, amidst this pandemic, I wish that you always stay at home, try to be safe, spend more time with your family, and also, one more thing you need to take into consideration being a part of this planet Earth, that you have to restore its beauty, its resources that we actually depleted in the last few decades. Man has been so harsh, so selfish that he starts digging out all the natural resources under the planet Earth. We are utilizing each and everything. Nothing is for free, okay? If you are taking everything free and taking the priority that yes, this is yours, this is wrong. So now it's the time to take the hand and walk ahead and lead the role. So that's why we have decided to celebrate the World Earth Day. Have you ever imagined that how this World Earth Day became a day to celebrate and to actually take some tripling actions that will actually help the planet Earth to get a better place? So this was started in the year 1970 when the Senator of US, the Galen Nelson, he started promoting the campaign, and it was started in a very small scale only in US. Later on, it was evident that this particular scenario is actually happening to the whole world globally. So as a result, the campaign started in every countries, and rather 122 countries that actually taking part in this World Earth Day, taking small or the other steps in order to restore our planet Earth. This year, the Earth Day's theme is the Restore Our Earth, and this is the 51st anniversary of the World Earth Day. In the 1970s, during the Vietnam War, US also participated, and there was a rapid division within the country itself. So as a result, the people used to purchase, and also they tried the large cars with which was loaded with unleased gasoline. It created a huge increase in the world temperature globally. Not only that, here it doesn't end. Then as a result, the people started polluting the environment in a rapid scale, because they were not even aware about the single factors that even the today's people are even not aware. They do the same practices daily. So it's my concern, and rather on behalf of every citizen, I think that you all should do a small or the other activity, not specifically on the Earth Day, but daily. You have to plant a tree. You have to see what is happening. How can we protect it? This Earth Day continues to grow as a worldwide phenomenon that focused on promoting a healthy and a living, sustainable habitat for the people and wildlife alike. Celebrating the Earth Day serves as a conscious reminder of how fragile our Earth is and how important it is to protect it. So, if it weren't for Senator Nelson for taking a stand in the 1970s, during that time, we may be still producing the same late guzzling automobiles and expanding the industrial production via smog, smoke, and waste. So, we celebrate this Earth Day to continue promoting the environmental awareness as much as it possible, and to remind us that we can protect the earth in our everyday lives as well. So why should we waste time? We should work upon it. So here are my photos, some of the ways that I did it, and some of my colleagues also tried. So thanks so much. So these are the small plants that I have planted today. It's all to take a step and move ahead. Make your friends, your relatives, your neighbors more aware about the facts. Though we all know, but we hardly work upon it. And if we all know that actions speak more than words, your actions will actually help the planet Earth to restore its natural beauty, to restore the wealth, or else it will not only affect the environment but it will also have a detrimental effect for us as well. So it is my earnest request that you please do take participate, make other people also involved, because only your task is not enough. Solo task is nothing that will make a bigger impact. If you have to make a global impact, even I also tried with some of the people
As you all
that
can
so
see,
that
this
they
is
can
a
also
small
participate,
initiative
but your
undertaken by my
participation
best
is
friend
more
Shaini
important.
Sharma.
So here
She's
goes our
basically
photos
from
that
northern
we
region
actually
of
how we
India.
celebrated
She has
the
really
Earth Day
helped me
today.
out in making the
So
video
please do
and
have a look
how she
and the videos
contributed
as
to
well.
the society
Here
and to
goes.
the environment. And this is quite vivid through the video. So I hope that you will like it. Just have a look on that, how she planted a tree and contributed to the Mother Earth. I hope that all of you have seen that how beautifully Shaina did her task, and this is from my side, right from my house, in front of my house 2 years ago. I planted this plant and I'm watering it out here.
So this is my plant, watering it out. So we have utilized from the Mother Earth, it is the time to give her back. And we proudly pledge that yes, we will be able to do, because it's up till on the hands of the youth, and we all the youths of the today's generation or the upcoming generation. If we don't work upon it, who are going to take the charge of the world? So thank you, and I hope that you really enjoyed the video. So just think about it, work upon it, so that the planet Earth can get a better life, a better world, and a new life. If someone is trying to destroy your life, then obviously what you will do? You will either try to just avoid the things, because no one wants to lead a negative life. So hence, you also try the same. The planet Earth is deteriorating its health day every day. This pandemic is one such sign that yes, the world is sooner or no sooner than it will be collapsing very soon. So it's our foremost duty to provide the same thing that the earth has given for so long years. It has given us fruits with so many minerals, with so many natural resources. The coal even we are using, nothing is for us. Nothing is our. Believe that it's our responsibility. If you're utilizing all the natural resources, if you are actually using, because nothing is for free, everything you do is like something or the other. Humans are so selfish. Even you borrow some money, you have to return it back with a proper interest. Similarly, we wrap the earth with plastics, but now actually this virus, this pandemic, rather the nature has itself wrapped us with plastic. We are utilizing all the masks and the pp kits, which are nothing but the polymers. Just think about it once. I'm requesting everyone that please be aware. And in the 1970s around, there was a rapid oil spill in the Santa Barbara in California, which led to the Senator Galen Nelson in 1970 to think about and actually spread the campaign. So don't you think that yes, the similar things are happening?